Unveiling the cutting-edge features of Apache Spark 3.0. Apache Spark, the powerful distributed computing framework, has once again raised the bar with its latest release, version 3.5. Packed with new features, improvements, and optimizations, Spark 3.1 continues to empower data engineers and data scientists to tackle complex big data challenges with ease. In this blog post, we'll take a closer look at some of the most notable features introduced in Apache Spark 3+.
Building upon the adaptive query execution, a QE feature introduced in Spark 3.0, version 3.1 further refines a QE to provide better adaptive optimization during query execution. This allows Spark to dynamically adjust its query execution strategy based on runtime statistics, leading to improved performance and resource utilization.
Pandas user-defined functions, UDFs, are a popular feature in Spark for applying custom Python logic to data frame columns. In Spark 3.1, Pandas UDFs receive enhancements, including support for type hints and the ability to specify the schema of the output. These enhancements make it easier to work with Pandas UDFs and integrate them seamlessly into Spark applications.
Query performance is critical in big data processing, and Spark 3.1 introduces dynamic partition pruning to improve query execution speed. By skipping unnecessary partitions during query planning, Spark can significantly reduce the amount of data scanned, leading to faster query execution times and improved overall performance.
In Spark 3.0, Python type hints were introduced to provide better support for type checking and documentation within Python code used in Apache Spark. Python type hints also improve code documentation by making it clear what types of inputs a function expects and what type of output it produces. This can help improve code readability and maintainability.
In conclusion, Apache Spark 3.0 brings a host of cutting-edge features that elevate the platform to new heights of performance, efficiency, and developer productivity.
Thank you for watching. We appreciate you taking the time to watch our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.